You know, after a long day, sometimes all you want is a good burger and fries. So here's my version of it on the grill. Whoa! Now to make this stuffed burger, I have one of these. It's a contraption that puts the burger in and you pat it down and you make a hole and it stuffs it. You can do this by hand, but this is a pretty cool device. A friend gave it to me, so I'll put a link to it down below. But let's go ahead and stuff our burger. Now this is where making this burger is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to stuff it with some cheese, with some onion, and some bacon. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. First thing you do is take some of your burger meat and pat it all down in. You want to get it nice and in there. You're going to leave some for the top, and then use actually the top of this device to pat it all down. This is what it looks like. It's got a little hole there, a little indentation, and that's where we're going to put in our bacon, our onion, cheese, 3 cheeses, and our garlic. I've got cheddar, provolone, and mozzarella. All that's going to go inside here. Let's put this together. And once you get everything in, put a little of this garlic back on top. You want to cover up the burger or the rest of it with your meat, and then clamp it all down to seal everything. And your meat, your burger, voila, looks like that. And we'll lay it out here before we put it on the grill. And here it goes, back down. Push this up. Take this out, and boom. We'll put it back in the freezer and let it harden for a little bit before we get it on the grill. And it is time to get the burgers, or the burger, onto the grill. Let's hope it tastes good. Go. Get that sucker cooking. Now to do these fries, all I'm going to do is cut up some new potatoes that I washed off, get them nice and thin. I want to make sure that they're thin because they'll cook quicker. And then I'm going to soak them in some water and just keep them there until it's time to get them into the pan and cooked up. Now, knocking out these fries should be fairly easy. You're going to drain off the water from the potatoes. I have some oil already going. Had a little bacon grease from this morning that I'm using in as well. Going to cook up the fries and then get them into some salt and maybe some Old Bay to make them extra special. Yeah, fries, baby, fries. Check on the burger out on the grill. Yeah, it's looking good. Fast forward and take a look at the burger now. That's good. Okay, you know how some things come out just the way you draw them up, and in other times they come out like this. We're still gonna plate it up and eat it. The fries are done. Let's get them off, doused with some Old Bay, and let's plate up that burger. Everything's ready to eat. Let's check it out. Have it, the stuffed messy burger. I guess that's what I'm gonna have to call it. Let's try the fries. Good. And the burger, which I'm gonna try and eat a bite. Tastes great. I'll put a link to how I did all of this underneath. Make sure you keep watching because you can chef it up wherever you are. That's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me on social media at RVJedeye. You can, of course, follow me at my blog at rvjedeye.com. Get out there, chef it up, have a great time in your RV, Even if you're not in your RV, pretend, open up the windows, turn on a fan, and pretend like you're in your own RV. Go out there and have a great day.